Hi guys, welcome to Worx product introduction. My name is Scott. I'm your Worx specialist. Today I'm here to introduce you Worx Sidekick portable work table WX066. The Sidekick will quickly become your new must-have. Whether it is securely supporting up to 135 kg in your workshop or service as a convenient tabletop while tailgating at a big game. Sidekicks is easy, portability and instant setup will serve you well. You can also connect multiple sidekicks to really expand your surface. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing session. Welcome to Worx product unboxing session. So the first is the portable sidekick, and the second is the collapsible metal legs. And we do provide 4 pieces of plain locks, and this is the link locks. And last, we have the product manual and warranty card. Want to know more about Worx? Subscribe us from now.